If you like surf and turf, then this recipe is definitely for you. Everything you need to know will be down below. Start off by chopping up some raw shrimp without veins and without tails. Then prep your onion, dicing it nice and small. Heat up a pan of your choosing. I love to use a non-stick. And then you're going to saute your onions until they are soft and a bit translucent. Depending on how much you love garlic, then you can use as much or as little minced garlic as you want. After about a minute, once that's fragrant, then you're going to add your shrimp. Begin to season with salt and pepper. Shake on some lovely parsley. If you have fresh stuff, you can use that too. For a kick of spice, add a bit of sriracha or leave it out, and then smoked paprika. We are using beautiful venison backstrap for this recipe, so you want to take off any silver skin that's on the outside of that backstrap and begin to slice it down the middle, not going all the way through. We're doing what's called a butterfly technique. However, I didn't slice it directly at the top and I won't slice it directly at the bottom. This will create a little bit of a package, as you can see. Make sure that middle slice is nice and even so then you can shove it as full as possible. This is the texture of cream cheese you want, nice and soft, so whether you've left it on your counter or you need to use your microwave, totally up to you. Combine the cream cheese with the surf from your pan, season the inside of your butterflied venison with salt and pepper, and stuff that puppy with as much as it can handle. Now you can begin to lay out your bacon, and you want to have a slight overlap so that it holds everything together. If you feel like your backstrap needs a little bit more of that mixture, then definitely add it, but you do want the venison to encapsulate your mixture. If not, there's a possibility that your mixture could seep out. Before you bacon wrap, season the outside of that venison with garlic powder, parsley, and salt and pepper. And this technique I really love, taking one strip of bacon and then popping it right on the end, kind of folding it in like an envelope. And then you wrap that bacon around. I did the same thing for the top as well. And now you got a cute little bacon wrap. If you're not ready to pop it in your oven right away, wrap it in some saran wrap and keep it in your fridge until you are. This is a perfect option too if you want to make it ahead and freeze it. When it's go time, pop it in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes or until it's done. If it comes out and it's not crispy, then give it a quick fry in your pan to crisp everything up. Leave it rest for 10 minutes and then slice away. Oh boy, we loved this recipe. There were no leftovers and my husband was wanting more. For more great venison recipes, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.